All right, so hi everybody. Today, that's a new channel, Mathematics for Kids, and today we're gonna learn the basics of mathematics. Okay, mathematics in its simplest form. So this channel is for kids channel. So the motivation for me to open this channel is the fact that I have kids that I teach them mathematics, and I believe that if they have the basics, if the foundation is strong when it comes to math, as they climb to the higher grades, it becomes so easy for them. They begin to love the subject because the fundamentals are strong. Okay, so today I'm going to introduce you to addition, and as time goes on, we will do the other areas, and then we take it from there. Okay, all right. So when we talk of addition, what do we mean? Addition means you are putting things together. You are putting things together. Let's say you have 3 items and you want to put them together. It means that you will bring all the 3 items into one roof, or you bring all the 3 items together. That is what we mean by addition. Okay, so for example, we have 2 plus 1. What do we mean? Now, the addition sign is this sign right here. Is this sign, addition. That's a sign that we call addition. Okay, so 2 plus 1. The plus sign means addition. You are adding items together. So what I'm asking you here is, if you want to add 2 and 1, what is the answer? In this case, when you have a question like this, always draw a box like this. And for the sake of this lesson, let's represent the numbers with oranges. So we have, let's say, 2 oranges plus 1 orange. What is the answer? So in the box, you put these 2 orange there. In this box also, you put 1 orange here. So the answer becomes what? 1, 2, 3. 3 oranges. Again, if you have 3 plus 4, what is the answer? Always try to use the box approach. What do I mean by using the box approach? It means that you will have one box for this number and another box for this number. So this is 3. So you will draw 3 oranges in this box. And this is 4. So you also draw 4 oranges into this box. The total becomes your answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer becomes 7. Okay? Always use the box approach. If you use the box approach, there is no way you're going to get them wrong. So that is how I teach my kids. I always tell them that always use the box approach, because with the box approach, there is no way you're going to get your answer wrong. It makes things easier for you with the box approach. Okay? So always remember to use the box approach, always. So when you have 5 plus 6, what is the answer? What do we do first? We first draw a box for this number. Remember to draw your plus sign here. And you also draw another box for this number. So we have 5 oranges, and so you put 5 oranges into the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you also put 6 oranges in this box because of this 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer becomes 11. The box approach is very, 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 very important. It's very, very important. It will help you to have a precise answer. It will help you to get the right answer. Okay, if you use your fingers, sometimes you forget whether you counted this or not. All right, so always use the box approach, and I believe that by doing that, your answer will be right. Okay, so let's do 2 more, and then we'll get to different areas. So you have 7 plus 3. What's the answer? The first thing to do is to draw a box for this first number. Your plus sign is here. Draw another box for this number. So you put 7 oranges here. Because of this 7, you put 7 oranges in this box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excuse me. And you also put 3 oranges here because of the number 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now let's add the oranges in the 2 boxes together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your answer becomes 10. Okay. Okay, let's do one more example for. So let's say you have a different question. Let's say you have 2 plus 1 plus 3. What is the answer? So in this case, we're going to have 3 boxes, right? So we're going to have 1 box for this 2, plus 1 box for this 1, plus another box for this 3. So we have 2 oranges here for this number 2. We have 1 orange here because of this 1. And we also have 3 oranges here because of this 3. So we add the oranges in this box together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer becomes 6. Okay? It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. Okay? Another example, the last and final example, you have 3 plus 3 plus 4 equals what? The same thing. This one, you have 3 boxes. Remember, each number must have a box. Each number must have a box. Each number too must have a box. Okay? So you have 3 oranges here for this number 3. Another 3 for this, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your total becomes 10. Okay? Now let me give you a question to try on your own, okay? So let's say you've been asked to add these numbers together. 5 plus 6 and 2 plus 4 plus 6. So try your hands on this question. Just try your hands on this question and see whether you're going to get them right, okay? Remember to use the box approach, okay? The box approach helps you get your answers right. Okay? All right. Thanks so much for this lesson. Thanks so much for giving me the chance to teach you this simple mathematics addition. And I believe that the next class we're going to do addition in another dimension. Okay? So sometimes you remember that in this first example, we have 6 plus 5, right? And all the numbers are single numbers. They are all single numbers. Like 4 plus 1 is single numbers. Like 3 plus 2, they are all single numbers. So the situation whereby we have two numbers. So let's say 10 plus 12. Let's say 12 plus 4. Let's say 18 plus 4. How do we do it? How do we do it? You know, you can use the box approach to do it, but it's going to take you a long time to do it. So I'm going to help you so that we can solve those questions in its simplest way. Okay, without struggling. Okay? So that one is going to be in the next video, okay? So this first video, we learn how to add numbers together. I mean, add single numbers together. But the next video, we're going to learn how to add double numbers together, okay? Thanks so much. Subscribe to the channel. The channel name is Mathematics for Kids, okay? So subscribe to this channel, and I believe that you guys are gonna love it. You know, thanks so much for having me in your homes, wherever, listening to me. Take advantage of these lessons. Subscribe to the channel. Ask your friends to also subscribe to the channel. And I believe that you will perform wonderfully in the area of math. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.